In this video, you will understand panel schedule templates, duplicate an existing template, edit the new template, and apply the new template to a project. Revit panel schedules are very useful for capturing and verifying circuit information and for driving changes in a project, such as circuit and phase allocation. The information contained in a panel schedule and the format of the presentation is determined by panel schedule templates, and those templates are part of the overall Revit project template. The existing panel schedule templates can be customized or duplicated to create additional templates for customization. In this project, we will review an existing panel schedule and then create a duplicate of an existing template and investigate the presentation options. After applying some changes, the new panel schedule template will be introduced to the project and used in place of the existing one. Begin by opening the Revit project file E02_01. Ensure the current view is Lighting Floor Plans 1 Lighting. Let's open and review the panel schedule for LP2. There is a section at the top for entering text notes. The schedule has a fixed number of single pole breakers, currently set at 42. Values have been added for the circuits connected to this panel. And the loads classifications are listed with values totaled at the bottom. Because most of the information on the panel schedule comes from the circuits in the project, it's automatically populated and therefore updated as the circuits are created and modified. From the Manage tab of the ribbon, select the Panel Schedule Templates drop-down menu and select Manage Templates. From here, create a duplicate of the branch panel and rename it Branch Panel Commercial. Then select the new panel and make it the default. All new panel schedules will now be created from this panel schedule template, and any existing schedules can be set to use the new standard. Select OK to close the window. From the Manage tab of the ribbon, select the Panel Schedule Templates drop-down menu and select Edit a Template. Select and open the new template. Let's start by editing the template to display the number of elements on each circuit. Select the column headed Trip, and from the ribbon choose Insert Column, left of Selected. A new column has now been added to either side, and some adjustment is required. Use the grips to alter the column widths. Highlight the entire column to the left, and from the ribbon select Edit Borders. Then pick Outside and Inside. And repeat for the column on the other side of the template. Next, we will add the parameter that will automatically complete this field when the panel schedule is in use. Select the first field below the column head, then, from the Parameters panel, select the Add Parameter drop-down menu and choose Number of Elements. Select the text in the column head and edit the title to Number of Connected Elements. Then, set each of the cells to Center Horizontal Alignment and Bottom Vertical Alignment. Finally, edit the font to make the text bold to match the rest of the column heads. From the ribbon, select Set Template Options. In the General Settings, we see the value for the number of slots that will be displayed in the panel schedule. Change the option to variable so that the schedule will only show the number assigned to the panel rather than the number set here. The options found in Circuit Table include the column header text orientation and the format in which the loads will be presented in the panel schedule. Leave this set to loads in split columns by phase. And finally, options for the display of unused phases for panels that are not three-phase. Within the loads summary area, we can decide whether to show in the panel schedule only the loads that are connected to the panel, in which case all loads in the right-hand column are considered and in the order set by using the move up and move down options, or a constant set of load classifications. In this case, we can choose which loads are to be included and in which order they will appear in the finished panel schedule. Select OK to close the window. Select Finish Template from the Template Editor panel to return to the project. To apply the new template, select Change Template from the ribbon. Select the commercial template and choose OK. Read the message and select Yes. The new template has been applied and the changes clear to see. Select the panel schedule from the screen and edit the property for the maximum number of single pole breakers to 24 and see the panel schedule update accordingly. Editing an existing or duplicated panel schedule gives you access to a range of presentation options to suit your preference for the appearance of panel schedules, a standard which can be used across multiple projects and delivery teams. From additional fields of data to the general display of information, creating custom panel schedules can assist in the way electrical distribution is reviewed and can improve the clarity of important information in your project.